Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
The Sims for how to add pack. So here I'll be teaching you how to add pack in the Sims 4. To add a pack in the Sims 4, all we need to do, those packs are like, for example, if you have a new edition like stuff or something, like a new pet or something that you've downloaded a DLC. Here's how you can add it. All you need to do is open up your Sims 4, and right here at the main menu of the Sims 4 right here, all you need to do is press on the top right corner right here. After pressing on the top right corner, the three dots right there, then all you need to do is pack selection. After clicking on pack selection, you can choose all the pack that you have. There you go. We have My Wedding Stories, Perfect Patlo, Kitchen, blah blah blah. You can choose one of them. But let's say you have a lot of packs and you just don't, and some of them are down, some of them middle, and some of them are up, and you don't want to um, have a hassle on clicking all of them. You can just press on select all right here. And if you want to remove all of them, just click on this select all right here. And if you want to restart, reload to view all current loaded packs, just press right here, like that. And let's say you have selected and confirmed or blah, or anything you've added here and made done. All you need to do is click on the check right here to confirm. As you can see right here, press to confirm and load all packs currently selected. Then check. There you go. Removing content from an existing save game. So this is a warning, guys, and also for you guys. Save game may have unintended gameplay consequence. We recommend only removing content after backup your save game or when starting a new save game. A restart may be required. As you can see right there. Once we click on confirm right there, we will restart our sim. So it's a restart is required, so we're not gonna do that. So there you go. That's all you need to do. After the restart, all you need to do is just enter the game, and then all the packs or DLCs that you've downloaded in the Sims will be automatically added to your world. Or if you have a world, you bought a world, it will be you can now equip that world or go to that world. So there, that's how you do it, guys. Hope you guys please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comments below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.